Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Clearscope to write SEO content that ranks, full guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and go to the Clearscope website. Log into your Clearscope account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, sign up for one by following the on-screen prompts. Once logged in, you will be directed to the dashboard. To start a new project, click on the New Project button. Enter the topic or keyword you want to write about in the provided field. After entering your keyword, click on the Create button. Clearscope will then generate a report with relevant keywords and content suggestions. Review the suggested keywords and phrases displayed in the report. Note the keywords that have high search volume and relevancy to your topic. Next, open your preferred writing tool or platform where you will draft your content. Refer to the Clearscope report for guidance on keyword usage and content structure. Begin writing your content, incorporating the suggested keywords naturally. Make sure to avoid keyword stuffing, focus on creating valuable content instead. Use headers and subheaders to structure your content clearly. As you write, keep an eye on the Clearscope score and recommendations. Adjust your content based on the feedback provided by Clearscope. Once satisfied with your content, refine it for clarity and engagement. Finally, publish your content on your website or blog to reach your audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.